Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of portrait photography. I've got a killer lineup of the best lenses for portraits in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video will help you find the perfect lens to capture stunning portraits. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Canon EF 85mm f1.4 IS USM. Canon users seeking top-tier performance need to look no further. This image-stabilized fast prime is a true masterpiece. We consider it one of the finest EF mount primes ever made, thanks to its precise autofocus, excellent handling, and built-in optical image stabilization, making it a better value than the pricier EF 85mm f1.2 Mark II USM. Its beautifully smooth background blur and minimal chromatic aberration set it apart from more affordable lenses. For those on a tighter budget, the EF 85mm f1.8 USM remains a solid alternative at $499. Number 2. Sigma 56mm f1.4 DC-DN Contemporary. APS-C mirrorless users might feel overlooked by third-party lens makers prioritizing full-frame options. But Sigma has stepped up with a trio of affordable f1.4 primes available in Canon EF-M, Micro Four Thirds, Sony E, L, and now X mount. While the 16mm and 30mm lenses are great for portraits, the 56mm f1.4 DC-DN stands out. It offers an 85mm equivalent view on APS-C cameras and 112mm on MFT systems, making it ideal for portraiture. Compact, fast focusing, and capable of delivering stunning image quality, it's easily our favorite of the three. Number 3. Sigma 85mm f1.4 DGDN Art. Sigma's art line has earned a strong reputation for optical excellence, though its DSLR lenses were often criticized for being bulky and heavy. With the DGDN series for E and L mount full-frame mirrorless, Sigma has shifted focus, delivering outstanding optics while significantly reducing size and weight. This lens exemplifies that balance, offering exceptional optical performance even at f1.4. It features fast autofocus, weather-sealed construction, and a declickable aperture ring, perfect for both photography and video work. Number 4. Fujifilm XF 90mm f2 RLMWR. Fujifilm stands out as the only brand that genuinely values the APS-C format, treating it as a worthy choice rather than merely a stepping stone to full frame. The company has produced several excellent portrait lenses for its X system, including the budget-friendly XF 50mm f2 RWR, $449 their new price and $365 used price, and the impressive XF 56mm f1.2 R price $999. However, the lens that truly amazed us is the XF 90mm f2 RLMWR, which effectively serves as a 135mm lens on full frame. Photographers will appreciate its ability to create striking subject-background separation, while the beautiful rendering of out-of-focus areas makes it an exceptional choice for portraits. Number 5. Nikon Nikkor Z 85mm f1.8s. Like many of Nikon's S-series primes for full-frame mirrorless cameras, this 85mm short telephoto features an f1.8 aperture, making it lighter and more affordable than a comparable f1.4 lens. However, it doesn't skimp on build quality or optics. Detail rendition is impressive, even on high-resolution models like the Z7 and Z7 Mark II, and the bokeh is visually pleasing. Focusing is fast and particularly effective for portraiture when paired with eye detection AF. Plus, the lens is fully sealed against dust and moisture, offering excellent versatility. For those seeking top-tier performance, Nikon does offer the premium Nikkor Z 85mm f1.2s, a superb lens that earned a full 5 stars in our review. However, with a price tag of $2,796, it may be out of reach for many users. So, which lens is the ultimate winner? It really depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a Canon shooter and want the best of the best, the Canon EF 85mm f1.4 IS USM is hard to beat. But for a more affordable option with excellent image quality, The Sigma 56mm f1.4 DCDN Contemporary is a fantastic choice.